see me? Alright, that's a little better. I got somebody that helped me with the video this time. So, listen up. I love this grill. Y'all remember this grill? Yeah. So today, if you look in here. What you see? We got some chicken legs. They being smoked. Alright. But I'm trying something different, and you gotta make sure it's straight. Okay. You know, a lot of people take a beer and shove it up, in the chicken. So it's still a drunken chicken. But this time, Traeger got these nice porcelain things you can actually put on the grill. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna put it on the grill. Watch. So y'all thaw it in there. Alright, that's all we can do. This ought to be fun. And here she is. She's been dying to go on. Say hey, baby man. Dying to go on. Let's see. All right. Here we go. Ready? How you do this? You know me with my experiments. I'm always going to be the first one experimenting. It's like a mess now, though. Oh, look at there. Look at there. Smoking a lot. Don't worry about that. I can't see you, mama. All right, let's try it again. Ready? So we got 2 drunken chickens. Ma'am, you sit right there. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Time for you to go bye-bye, too. All right, here we go. I didn't put the beer in. Now, see? That's when you know it's live TV. Right? Right. Golly. That smoke's got me. It just got me. Has it got you, Miss Cameraman? Cameraman?
It's got the camera lady.
Woo! I'm camera lady, too. Yeah, it's on there. Look. That's a miracle. So what I'm going to do, I don't like to touch chicken meat. Just going to put the extra rub on there that fell off, right? I mean, they ain't going to hurt it. Right? They ain't going to hurt it. Voila! And there you go. Drunken chicken. We'll see you back. Bye.